I run 3 different businesses, manage multiple teams, and I spend a lot of time with my family and my children. And above that, I read every day 200 pages and watch one movie every single day. In spite of doing all these things, I still have more time in my life. Would you like to know how I manage my time, thereby I'm able to do multiple things in my life? Stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to share with you one system which I am using regularly every single day, which helps me to become more productive, become more effective, and at the same time get control of my time. Thereby I can do what I love to do. One of the important rule in leadership, one of the most important rule in business is how productive are you? How are you effectively managing your life? Okay, efficiently managing is different from effectively managing. Are you doing the right things or doing the things right? So as a business leader or a business owner, okay, remember we all have the same time. Okay, everyone, whether you are into business or into career or even you are doing nothing, the time is the same. Everyone gets the same 24 hours every single day. How you use the time matters a lot. What I do in my life is I ensure that everything I plan, every task I'm doing, everything is noted down in a particular order and a particular system, which helps me to stay on the task, which helps me to complete everything that I plan, and also gives me a lot of time. It's a very simple and easy to follow system, and interestingly it's free. Okay, because I have tried every possible task management app in the world. Okay, I'm sure that you would have seen varieties of task management apps, probably if you have downloaded in your computer or mobile phone. I have tried everything, okay, but none of them gave me the results than this free app that is available. And do you know what is that called as? And that is called as Google Calendar. Absolutely true. One thing which I rely upon always is Google Calendar, and I use the Google Calendar fully. Thereby I take control of my calendar in my life, and thereby I take control of my time. You know, Google Calendar is one of the best task management app if you ask me. Many of us use Google Calendar only to mention some events over there, but you know what, I went one step further, and I actually, in my Google Calendar, my whole to-do list of the day is also marked with time wise. Okay, what time I'm going to do this particular task, what time I'm going to make this phone call, what time is my meeting. Okay, so whether it is going to be a meeting, whether it is going to do a training program, or even recording this video, it's already there in my Google Calendar today at this particular time when I'm recording this. Or even if I have to go shopping with my children, I enter that. Even if I have to go for a movie with my kids, I enter that also. So everything, whether it is an event reminder or a to-do task or even any task, anything, everything I enter into Google Calendar. The best part is it reminds you, it sends you notification. And since you are always carrying a phone with you and your emails are also integrated with Gmail, it becomes very easier to bring in everything together. So this is one thing which I've been doing very sincerely and religiously. Thereby I know exactly what time I'm free, what time I have to do what task. Thereby whatever I plan, I'm able to complete, and whatever I want to schedule, I schedule it in my Google Calendar. Thereby it becomes easier for me to take control of my time. Ladies and gentlemen, remember always, when you know your calendar, you will know your whole life. When you own your calendar, no one else can own your time, because if we do not schedule our time, someone else will come and schedule and rob our time in it. So that this is one of the most simple time management tool which I'm using. No complication, no too many stuff in that, just very simple. Google Calendar is helping me a lot to run 3 different businesses, to manage my team, watch a movie a day, and even ensure that I have enough time to read 200 pages a day and relax myself also. And in spite of all these things, I still have more time to learn something new also in my life. Okay, if you are someone really interested, or if you are already doing like this, any other process, comment below what's your favorite time management app and how are you managing it. Go ahead and I will also learn from you. And if you think that this video is very useful, go ahead and share this video to one busy person who complains that they don't have time for themselves, for their family, or for their passion. Okay, go ahead and share this video with them so that you can help them to take control of their time. Thanks for watching this video. This is Murali Sundaram, your happiness coach. Bye bye.